this GLC is going to play a very crucial role. All of you, please participate in that. Every one successful entrepreneur has to promote one more or many more. That is the agenda we have to work together. Here, one more policy I want to request all of you. It is a social responsibility. God has given for all of us to grow to reach this stage. This is where governments used to promote PPP, public-private partnership. Either airport, road, or some other infrastructure projects, everything we have. They have promoted, you have developed, thereby you are able to earn some wealth. Now I am promoting one more concept, P4, public-private people's partnership. This is MBK 1020. M Margadarshi, BK Bangaru Kutumbam, top 10% adopt bottom 20%, nurture them short term, medium term, long term, mentoring, timely help, and also bring along with us, if not along with us, at least above poverty. This is my concept. I am working in this concept. So far, 11.7 lakh Bangaru Kutumbams adopted by 1,10,000 entrepreneurs. This is the biggest program it is going on. Our idea is very clear. We wanted to go in a big way, bridging the gap between haves and have-nots. Otherwise, India is emerging more and more billionaire club and millionaire club. Under the same time, last mile, there are problems. One more proposal I am placing before all of you. This is population management policy. Earlier, I promoted population control. Within 10 years, I was able to achieve excellent results. Now I am having a problem of aging problem. All countries, even my best friend from Singapore, they are able to succeed everywhere except population management. They are also reaching 0.9%. South India already reached 1.5. India is 2. Replacement level is 2.1. Now it is high time for all of us to realize. That's why I am introducing a program for third child, 30,000 rupees, immediate birth, even fourth child, 40,000 rupees, so that I wanted to stabilize population in the near future. Otherwise, we are going to work only for missions. Nowadays, robotics is the order of the day, but ultimately, we are not working for missions or robotics. This is very important. If we achieve population stabilization or population management, India will have a very bright future. Nobody can challenge India. India's prosperity will be unstoppable. Friends, here I wanted to say one more thing. In Andhra Pradesh, one side, all latest technologies. One is green energy. We are starting aerospace city, and also electronics, and also medtech park, and also drone city, and also aerospace. Now defense, they are working with us. This month 15th in Puttaparthi, they are laying the foundation for AMCA project. This is fighter jets pilot project they are doing, R&D project they are doing. Initial investment is 15,000 crores. Ultimately, 1 or 2 lakh crores they are going to spend there. It is going to lead aerospace technologies near Bangalore. This is the best site, I'm telling all of you. Anybody is having interest on aerospace, this is the right time, come and invest in Andhra Pradesh. Anybody is having interest in drone technology, we are creating a drone city. Manufacturing, training, either defense or otherwise civilian applications. That is another area. Anybody is interested to go for aerospace. This is also we are creating one of the best city. This is the future is aerospace. This is also this is future is space city. This is where I am asking you to come and investment in that city also. Ultimately, technology is order of the day. We have to integrate all technology. And also leadership is very, very important. And finally, human resource development is very important. Again and again, government can create a policy, but industry can innovate things. But we need more and more human resources that can be prepared from academic institutions. Even R&D has to start from academic institutions and research organizations. All these 3 or 4 has to integrate together. Then only we can create employment. Then only we can create wealth creation. Friends, finally, I'm requesting all of you. India is great. India is moving very fast. It is unstoppable now. Imagination, leave it to you. We are all inspiring time. Challenges will come. It is only temporary. Ultimately, India growth is very encouraging. In India, again, I am requesting you, from CAI side, you are saying, from the beginning they are supporting. In turn, I am also supporting CAI. You are all members of CAI. At least one member should start one industry in Andhra Pradesh. That is what I am requesting all of you. Seeing is belief. It is experience. If you won't come, you won't witness our performance. Every politician will talk, and sometimes we may perform, we may not perform. For all these things, you are the best judges. Come and test us. Once, if you have MOU or shown any interest, then onwards, it will become our project. We will work with you. We will make your venture a successful venture. This is my commitment. This is my promise. So I'm happy by seeing so many friends here, so many well-wishers. I am requesting Banerjee to channelize everybody to come to Andhra Pradesh. So, thank you. Very nice. Always, one word I will tell you finally. Once in India, to associate industry, all politicians used to afraid. They used to afraid only one thing, pro-rich stigma, pro-rich image. I am always saying, you wanted to eradicate poverty. To eradicate poverty, you have to create wealth. Then only you can generate income. Then only you will get taxation. Then only you can do welfare. Without creating wealth, no politician is having right to distribute wealth or committing all free. It is impossible. It is not sustainable. First create wealth, then simultaneously empower people. Both has to go together. This is our commitment. We are very happy to associate with all of you. Thank you. Thank you.